The major markets saw losses across most indices last week. The decline came after a strong start to the week. Markets were closed on Monday for President's Day, but by Tuesday, the S&P 500 hit new all-time highs for 2 straight days. However, by Thursday, the market started to drop, and by Friday, the losses grew significantly. Looking at the sectors, the biggest losses came from consumer discretionary and communication services. Other sectors also saw losses, closing about 2 percentage points lower for the week. This broad sell-off affected the Nasdaq, which is heavily focused on IT and consumer discretionary, as well as the Dow Jones, which includes sectors like financials. The negative mood was driven by several factors. The economic data showed weakness in the housing market, with lower than expected results in home builder confidence, housing starts, and existing home sales. Jobless claims also came in higher than expected, and consumer sentiment dropped. A key finding from the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Survey showed that the 5-year inflation expectation reached its highest level since April of 1995. The survey also revealed growing concerns about tariffs and other factors affecting consumer confidence. The week ended with news that the Department of Justice would investigate UnitedHealth's billing practices on Medicare plans. This caused the company's stock to drop by more than 7% by the end of the day. UnitedHealth is one of 30 companies that make up the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and also a major component of the S&P 500, although the overall S&P 500 healthcare sector still managed to close the week positive. This investigation is another challenge for the healthcare giant, following its all-time high in November and the recent shooting of its CEO.